Good evening, Tanishq, Kavita, Ritika, Srija. Hello. How are you
Good
all doing?
evening.
So I will be taking your audition today. Welcome to Forever Star India Auditions. And we will just
Thank
be
you so
waiting
much.
for five. Yes, so we will be waiting for 5 more minutes for a few more participants to join in. Till then, you can just check your audio and video settings because we will be starting with ramp walk. So all of you will be doing 2 rounds of your ramp walk, and then you can sit back comfortably and we'll be doing your introduction. So that's how it has to be. Just check your audio settings and keep yourself on mute until asked to unmute, right? Thank you so much. All right, girls, please switch on your video. A very good evening to everyone. Once again. Could I have your videos on? Yes, Srija. Hi, Redmi.
Hi.
You change your username to your original name. FCR2021. You should change your username to your actual name, please. Ritika Chaudhary. Ritika, please switch on your videos. So let's start with your ramp walk. Tanishq. So is that your name, Tanishq? Okay. So let's start with your ramp walk. We'll do it together. Srija, you can also start with your ramp walk. Ritika, you could also start. 2 rounds of your ramp walk, everyone.
Okay.
Ritika, you could also start. All right, Tanishq and Srija.
Is that okay?
Yes, you could sit back comfortably.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Sonia, Kavita, please switch on your videos. Sonia and Kavita, can you please hear me? Okay, so till the time they're sorting out, Tanishq, let's start with your introduction. So let me just give you a brief that in your introduction, I will be looking forward to your name, your age, the place that you belong to, what are you passionate about, what are your hobbies, and why do you want to participate in this beauty pageant? So just give me a gist of all of this. Yes.
Okay, fine. Can I start?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. My name is Tanishq Roopchandani. I'm 37 years old in a married bliss since 15 years. And I have completed my master's in business operations. And now I'm working with my husband as a director of my own company, Eagle India Infra Limited. And my hobbies are cooking and traveling. I love to explore different places and I love to spread happiness all around, wherever I am. And I want to participate in this pageant. I just want to create an example for all the married women that after marriage, life is not the end. We have to chase our dreams after marriage as well. So I just want to create an example for all the married women to just live the life the best possible they can. Thank you so much.
Right. Tanishq, I can totally relate to what you're saying, that life doesn't end after we get married. And it holds true for all the women, you know, whether she's young, she's old, whatever age she is, but life is how you take it through, right? So you said you are 37, right?
Yeah.
So you do not look like 37. You look pretty young to me. So that happens when you do something that you're really passionate about, because you are working, you're supporting your husband, you're working as a director, as you said. So yes, totally makes sense to me. Also, you said that you love to cook and travel. So anything specific that you like to cook?
Actually, everything. Cooking is my passion, my hobby. So I like to cook all the time different cuisines for my husband because he's very foodie. So mostly I love to cook Italian, like pizzas, pastas.
Italian. All right, that's lovely. Tanishq, I'll get back to you. Yes, Srija. So your hair is looking lovely. Let me just compliment you on your hair, and then we can start.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, on rare days, you get such good hair. So thank you so much. And may I start now?
May I start?
Yes, please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shrija Sarkar, and I'm 26 now. I'm from the city of Joy, Kolkata. And I firstly have to thank Forever Group for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of everyone. I have always loved meeting new people and, facing new adventure that life has for me. And being a cabin crew by profession, it has given me everything that I have actually wished for. And I wanted to participate in this pageant because I feel by the end of the journey, I'll be able to rediscover myself. I'll be able to get rid of all the inhibitions that I might have. And, this platform will help me represent the state or maybe then the country. That's the biggest thing the platform can offer me. I'll be able to, see a better version of my own self. So that's the best thing. I'm really excited to meet my fellow contestants, have a great journey together. And also I would like to, I'm very excited about the fact that I'll be able to groom myself better with the help of you wonderful judges. And that's all about me. Thank you so much.
Of course, thank you so much, Shrija, for talking about yourself. Also tell me, like, what are your professional goals? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Next 5 years, I really like being a cabin crew. That has always been my dream job. And I would like to continue being that job and visit new places with my husband, with my family, everything. And maybe in the next 5 years, I would like to see myself, leading a whole group of cabin crew and helping them achieve what I have achieved. So yes, that's my goal in the next 5 years. And also, yes, my next goal is definitely forever Mrs. India.
To win the crown, yes?
Yes, definitely.
Of course, of course. Thank you for being so positive about the crown. And yes, your professional goals also make pretty much sense that you want to lead the cabin crew. So currently you're working as a cabin crew. And
Yes.
In the next 5 years, it won't be a big deal if you learn so much, if you get groomed and then you're training these people under
Exactly.
you. So all right, Shrija, I'll get back
Thank
to
you so much.
Ritika, could I have it from you, your introduction?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening.
Now?
Yes, Ritika, I'm audible. Okay, so HRITIKA, Ritika. We will be talking in RITIKA. I will be speaking to you in a while. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. And can I start?
Yes, please.
My name is Chaudhary. I'm from UP.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your name.
Ritika Chaudhary.
Okay, I heard Shruti. Okay, Ritika, right.
Okay. My name is Ritika Chaudhary. I'm from UP. I'm now 19 years old. Now pursuing my graduation from DU in the field of geography honors. I'm very creative person. I like to perform creative activities like dancing, music, and paintings. I like to show some paintings to you.
That's lovely. Okay, it's really nice.
Thank you, ma'am. I try too hard to learn something new each and every day that's make me more creative. My dream is to make my name and make my own personality in the field of acting. This competition is very important for me because this would help me to put a step in the world of acting. Thank you, and I like to say only this about my personality and my introduction.
All right, Ritika, thank you so much for introducing yourself. And you seem to be a very young and talented girl to me. You're into painting, singing, and dancing, so I'm sure your talent is going to take you a long way on this platform. I'll get back to you, Ritika, RITIKA. Can I hear it from you now?
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए अपने बारे में कुछ. आप म्यूट पे हैं, पहले आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
Ma'am, you're talking about me.
No, I'm talking to Ritika, Ritika, Ritika.
Hello, ma'am.
Your introduction is done.
Good evening.
Ritika, bataiye.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
First of all, thank you so much for give opportunity for me introduce myself. My name is Ritika Vishwakarma. I am basically Uttar Pradesh in Saidpur Gazipur. I have completed my graduation BTech Computer Science and Engineering. Talking about my interest, so I love dance and bit of Bollywood song, and almost to be 10-year-old will try to. I also sing a little bit song, and I love decoration, birthday party, and I was making a video on TikTok, big platform TikTok in India, but India banned the TikTok, so I will making a video reels in Instagram. So that's because why are you interested in Miss India platform? Because ma'am, I this platform is a represent myself, what I am. So I will try. It is my passion to introduce myself, and I'm so happy. So I am participate this meeting Zoom. So it is my first time, and I'm not try any place to Miss India and beauty constants and dance. I almost try to different place, but not any try to Miss India. So I'm so excited and very nervous, but I'm cool.
Don't get nervous,
cool.
Ritika. ये जो आपका audition हो रहा है, it is just a basic introduction that you have to give. है ना, हम बस interact कर रहे हैं. Because see, before you get on this platform, I need to know that what are your aspirations. आप क्यों आना चाहते हो इस platform पे? क्या सच में आप passionate हो इस चीज के लिए या नहीं? So that's the only criteria that we are looking for. And thank you. आपने इतनी detail में अपने बारे में बताया, अपनी aspirations के बारे में बताया. And I'm nervous, maybe you've talked a lot, so thank you so much. And thank you, Srija, Ritika, and Tanishq. Before you complete the participation process, let me give you a brief about the platform, right? Because this is something really different that you're going to be a part of. Forever Star India is organizing the most unique beauty pageants of the country, Forever Miss India and Forever Mrs. India 2021. So why do I call this platform unique? Because we are not into the stereotypical things ki you have to look a certain way or you have to behave a certain way if you want to be on this platform. That is why we've kept the height criteria also minimum. Agar aapne dekha hai, to hamari minimum height 5 feet hai. The maximum weight is 65 and 80 kgs. So why are we doing that? हम इस criteria को इतना simple क्यों रख रहे हैं? Because we want each woman to know that you are not defined by the way you look. You are defined by the qualities that you have in yourself, by the passion that you have in yourself. So here, each person is unique. I'm sure you listened to each other and you understand that each one of you is unique, and we are going to embrace that uniqueness. हम आपकी uniqueness को खत्म नहीं करने वाले हैं. I want you all to remain the same way, just that my team of 150 plus experts is going to groom you, is going to train you to become the best version of yourself. And how's that going to happen? Once you're done with today's audition, the second step is you receiving the audition report, which no one across the country is doing. We are doing this so that you know कि ये मेरी qualities हैं, and on this basis I have been selected. और अगर आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं भी होता है तो भी आपके पास ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट आएगी. So this is how transparent this platform is, and transparency will go on till the end, till the grand finale. So grand finale December में organize होगा. It will happen most probably in Goa. But what before that? December से पहले क्या होगा? So just like you're appearing for today's audition, if you clear today's audition, you will be completing the participation process. And as soon as you complete the participation process, we will be starting with your training and grooming sessions. Right. Excuse me. And these sessions are going to be once or twice a week. depending on your preferences. For example, if you're a working woman and you're free in the evenings, तो हम आपको evening batch देंगे. अगर आप mornings में free हैं, हम आपको morning batch में place करेंगे. And then gradually आपकी, for example, talent round 1 में आपको अपना talent portray करना है, तो उससे पहले एक इंटरनेशनली सर्टिफाइड इमेज कंसल्टेंट आपको ट्रेन करेगा, आपकी ट्रेनिंग सेशंस होंगे, उसके बाद आप टैलेंट राउंड 1 के लिए अपीयर करोगे. देन एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आपको ट्रेन करेगा, एन इन्फ्लुएंसर एंड अ फोटोग्राफर इज गोइंग टू ट्रेन यू दैट हाउ यू शुड बी टेकिंग फोटोग्राफ्स ऑफ योरसेल्फ, राइट. Thirdly, a ramp walk expert is going to train you about the technicalities of a ramp walk. This means that here you are not alone, you're not on your own. We have your back. We will be training you for everything, and then you will be appearing for the rounds. Gradually, we will be selecting a winner in every city. Then the city winners will compete for the crown of state winner, right? So the whole process is virtual, right? Because the pandemic that is going on right now, we cannot risk your lives. We don't want you to travel. So what we'll do is, through these Zoom sessions, you will be trained, but the grand finale is going to be a live and offline event. It will be covered by all the major media houses across the country, because आप training online ले सकते हो, लेकिन जब crown पहनने की बारी आएगी, I'm sure you want to feel that, right? और वो offline ही होगा. There will be 350 plus winners from the country जो एक stage पे उनकी crowning होने वाली है, and it's going to be huge, trust me. Now, if you do not win the crown, if you do not become forever Miss and Mrs. India, what next? इसके बाद क्या? तो सबसे important चीज यहाँ पे ये है कि जैसे ही आप participate करते हैं, आपका audition clear हो जाता है, you will be getting a lifetime membership of this platform, right? And your unique profile will be created here. So just like you have your profiles on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, the same way you will have a profile on Forever Star India Awards community. Now, using this profile, you can harness a lot of business opportunities. For instance, if you want to take your singing career ahead, if you want to go ahead as a painter, as an artist, as a choreographer, then this platform is going to give you opportunities. For example, we are going to launch our own OTT platform towards the end of 2022, right? So I'm sure everyone understands OTT, Amazon, Netflix, Hotstar. They have been a savior for all of us in this pandemic. So what we'll be doing is, for this OTT platform of Forever Star India, we are going to give preference to our own community members. We are going to give preference to you. We won't be going anywhere outside to find actors, singers, choreographers, script writers. So if you are capable enough of something and you are really groomed in these training sessions, then we will be giving you direct opportunities without any middlemen in between. Koi bhi nahi hoga beech mein, because generally this happens. If you want to get into this industry, this glamorous industry, then you need to have strong contacts, right? And even after having strong contacts, you never get your first break. So this is just one example that I'm giving you कि यहाँ पे बहुत ही fair and square होने वाला है. You're capable, you're putting in your efforts, you're taking the training sessions, then you will get a lot of opportunities on this platform. Now, in order to complete the participation process for getting lifetime membership and these business opportunities, you will be paying an amount of 3,500 plus GST. This is your participation fee, right? So you should be very clear about it that I have to pay 3,500 plus GST. Apart from this, there are no hidden charges or no hidden fee, right? And इस fee में आपको lifetime membership, आपको 5 महीने के grooming and training sessions मिल रहे हैं. You will also be receiving a lot of gift vouchers, cash vouchers. So there's a lot that you will be getting. I just want you to understand that this platform is here to empower women like you, right? We need to get inspiration from each other because all of us are unique, right? So let's uplift each other. Let's be there for each other. And here we are not going to compete with each other. We are going to compete with our own self. हमारा competition हमारे खुद के साथ होगा, right? So the scores that you will be getting depends on the progress that you are making on this platform. I hope everything is clear to everyone. If there's anything that you want to ask, you can ask me right here, right now. I'm all yours. Any query that you have, any doubt that you have. Ritika, are you clear about everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, of course. अगर बाद में भी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे कुछ और queries है, कुछ जानना है, then my customer support team is always there to help you out. You can clarify all your doubts with them, and then we can move ahead with the training sessions. So thank you so much for appearing for today's audition. All of you were looking lovely, and I am really excited to see you all in the training sessions. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful evening.
Thank you so much.
You can leave the meeting so that I can take auditions for the rest of the candidates. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, you are also beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the compliment.
Stay safe, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Sonia and Kavita, we will be starting with your introduction in 5 minutes, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sonia and Kavita, could you switch on your video? Hi, Sonia. Could you unmute yourself?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. So could you tell me something about yourself?
मैम हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं?
आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए, जिस लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल है उसमें बात कीजिए.
मैम हिंदी
में कीजिए. बताइए अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए मुझे.
मैम मैं 36 ईयर ओल्ड हूँ और मैरिड और एक बेबी है 15 ईयर का. और मैं जॉब करती हूँ, कैशियर हूँ.
ठीक है. और आपकी हॉबीज क्या हैं?
मैम कुकिंग.
क्या कुक करना अच्छा लगता है?
मैम ऑलमोस्ट
सब कुक करना अच्छा लगता है. क्यों पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हो सोनिया फॉरएवर मिसेस इंडिया में?
मैम मैंने आज तक कभी कुछ किया नहीं है, तो मुझे शौक है ये करने का, और डांसिंग का भी शौक है बचपन से, पर कोई मौका नहीं मिला.
ओके, ठीक है सोनिया. You said you're 36, but you do not look like 36. You look pretty young to me. And
thank you, ma'am.
That's also an achievement, and I'm sure this platform will have a lot to offer to you. आपने सुना होगा अभी जब मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया इस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में, आपको सारा कुछ समझ में आया अच्छे से?
जी मैम.
ठीक है. फिर भी अगर आपको कुछ डाउट्स हो सोनिया, आप मुझसे आराम से पूछ सकते हो, बिकॉज ये प्लेटफॉर्म इट्स फॉर एवरीवन फ्रॉम एनी बैकग्राउंड. अगर आपका मॉडलिंग में बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, या फॉर दैट मैटर आप इस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है, फिर भी आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म से बहुत कुछ लेके जा सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपको स्क्रैच से सारा कुछ सिखाया जाएगा. You will be trained by 150 plus experts of the industry, which is huge.
Okay,
and that will happen gradually. ऐसा नहीं कि हम 10 दिन में आपकी ट्रेनिंग खत्म कर देंगे.
आपकी
4 से 5 महीने की ट्रेनिंग होने वाली है. So you are going to feel so much better about yourself at the end of these 5 months. So my best wishes are there with you, Sonia. Let's just wait for your audition report, and then we'll see what happens. Kavita, could I have your introduction, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because I don't know, your video is not visible to me. Okay, no problem, Kavita.
Oh, yes. Hello, ma'am. Namaste. Hi. Good evening.
Namaste.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Kavita, and I'm from Mumbai. Actually, I'm from this Merchant Navy. my background is, and my qualification from UP, but working here from since 11 years, you can say.
So you're in Merchant Navy right now?
Yes, ma'am. But I want to prove myself also because, you know, job is job.
Right.
In home also and office also is same. For working lady, everything is same. Here also you can work, and office also working.
Have to work,
so,
right.
And I'm
we never get time for ourselves, right? So this is one opportunity where you can actually take out time for your own self.
Exactly. That's why I'm participating in this. And thank you so much for this. And I'm 31 years old, and I have twins baby boy. I'm married. Yes, ma'am.
You look like you're married, huh?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
So do you like it in Merchant Navy? I mean, are you passionate about your job?
No, actually, my father was born this, so that's why I'm in Merchant Navy. And now it's, you know, from since 10 years I'm working, so it's my
right, it's in your habit now. Yes,
ma'am. Right. But I want to change something for me also, because I'm never getting time for me. So I want to show everyone this is also I can do it. And for ladies, not only kitchen, everything for ladies. So I want to show him.
Right. Kavita, when you talk, it actually makes sense, because, you know, every woman can relate to it, whether you're working, even
exactly, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So even if, you know, you own a company, you're the head of a company, even then, whenever you get back home, you have to, you know, get back to your duties.
You have to cook.
Yeah.
You have to cook. You can see your babies and family, everyone. You have to see this.
Right. So, but you know, taking out time for yourself is the most important thing.
Exactly.
Because
most
until
important
you are happy, you are satisfied, you cannot, you know, give happiness to others. We cannot actually pour from an empty cup. Yeah. Our happiness have to be really high.
Right, ma'am. And you have to look everyone's family, who is happy, who is unhappy, everything.
Agree. I totally agree, Kavita. So what are your hobbies? Yes, what do you like doing in your free time?
Actually, ma'am, reading books and story books.
Okay.
And watching movies.
Okay.
And most is important for me with husband. I want to go long drive.
Okay. So you like long drives, huh? You're a romantic person, that means.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's lovely, Kavita. It has been lovely listening to you and talking to you. I really wish that I see you in the training sessions, because once you receive your audition report, you will be sure about your participation. And did you hear to the explanation that I gave for the platform?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, perfect. Then you have an idea about this platform, that this beauty pageant is not like the other beauty pageants happening across the country.
Exactly.
We are here to, you know, help each other. We are here to uplift each other. And, you know, when I talk to women like you who are so sorted, who are clear, ki mujhe ye karna hai, I want to take out time for myself. So even I feel inspired. Yeah, so that's what I say, that you know,
because of this, I want to prove myself. Because in this,
I'm sure you will, and my best wishes are there with you, Kavita. Thank you so much for appearing in today's audition, Sonia and Kavita. And
thank you, ma'am.
You know, if you feel that there is something that I want to know, there is something that I'm not clear about, you can get back to my customer support team. They will help you out in every way they can. Right?
Okay.
So, yes, have a beautiful evening ahead, and fingers crossed, see you super soon in the training sessions.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.